Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I am going to continue on the RNG series, and I have tried to record this video like 10 times. Oh my god, 10 times right now, so I'm a bit angry, but that's okay guys. So we're going to make sure that the player gets their rolled aura in their inventory, as well as an animation whenever the player is rolling. So with that being said, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and join the Discord down in the description. If you got any questions, please ask them in the Discord or in the comment section. So let's jump straight into it. So whenever we're playing right now and we are rolling, only the aura name is getting printed for some reason, so we will have to adjust that. So go inside of the roll functions, make sure that we create a table instead. So we're going to make a table out of this. I'm going to call this a name. This is going to be called chance, as well as color, just like that. And we need to do the same right here. So name, chance, and color. There we go. So when we play now and we print, we will get the full table, so that's perfect. Now we need to handle the animation. So if we go inside of here, we will have to adjust this a bit. So like the other RNG series we had, we will have to roll multiple times. So local roll table, just like this, and we are going to loop 7 times, 7, 0, minus 1, do, just like that. And if we go inside of here, we are going to say local random aura equals roll functions dot roll, and we're going to put our aura list as well as the layer. And we're also going to insert this aura into a roll table. So roll table random aura, just like this. If we go ahead and print our random aura now, or our roll table, when we want to access our our final rolled aura, we will have to index it with number 7, or if you put, for example, number 4 here, you will have to put 4 here. But since we are using 7, we're going to put 7 here. Adjust this if you want quick roll or something. We're going to do that in the future, but for now I'm gonna put this to 7. So if we go ahead and play now, and we are rolling, if my game can load in today. So if we open this, oh shit, and I roll, you can see how we get the full table of our rolled aura. So that's perfect. And now we get basic all the time. Oh yeah, there we go, common. Perfect. So now we will have to handle the animation, but first of all we want to add this into the player's inventory. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open up our template first of all, so we have a table. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say local new instance equals instance of new, and I'm going to put a string value, or no, sorry, inside of the table we're going to add just the name. So we can say table.insert player profile data dot what is it called, auras, and we're going to add our roll table, index it with number 7 and the name. And let me see if we got a inventory for this. Yeah, we do. So auras, great. So we will have to add that as well. So local new instance equals instance here, screen value, inside of the player.auras, new instance of name equals, we can say roll table 7, yeah, just like this. Great. So here we have it. If we go ahead and play now, it shall work, hopefully. And so let me see. If I open up my character and I roll, oh yeah, if my game can, there we go. We get the basic aura, we get the common, basic, intermediate, common, perfect. That's great. If I go ahead and rejoin, let's see if they are still in my inventory. Let's see if they save. Yes, they do, but the name is value, so we need to change that. So if we go ahead and go inside of our leaders that's here, for I, come on, profile data.auras, unt equals, oh, now, there we go. So if we press on play now, this shall work. So if we open up here, let's go inside of the auras, and there we go. Perfect, that works perfectly fine. Great, so now we just need to make sure that the animation plays. So, animation, where do we have it, or what am I even saying? We could do this in two ways. We could either send back the information to the client through a remote function, or we can just handle it on the server, and I am going to handle it on the server. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say local player UI equals player, wait for child, player UI, just like this. So now we have access to start the UI, but in the player's character, or in the player. So we're going to say local roll UI equals player, wait for child, roll object, roll UI, just like this. Great. And inside of the roll UI, we could actually add our animation. So I'm gonna add a folder. I'm gonna call this animation. I'm going to add a frame inside of here, which I will be, make sure to center it, make sure to scale it like we did in the previous episodes. In the background transparency, I'm going to set this to 0.6. I'm going to make sure that this is black, and I am going to set the size to 1,0,1,0. I'm going to make it a bit more darker, so 0.4. I am also going to make sure that this is set to index 2. Oh shit. And I'm going to make sure ignore UI set is true and index behavior is global. There we go. So, and this will be the background. Great. In the background, I will add a text label. I will call this. Give me a second. I will scale it. I will set the C index to 3. And I will call this our run name. I'm gonna set the position to 0.5.5, set the transparency to 1, and I'm gonna change the font. You can customize this however you want, like always. Great. So I'm gonna put this in the middle, just like that. And how does this look? Okay. Yeah, great. So inside of the aura name, I'm gonna put one more that I will be calling not aura name, but aura chance. There we go. I'm gonna put this underneath like this, and we could either do this by saying percentage, or we could just say 1 out of 2, like that. Great. And I'm gonna make this a bit gray instead, like that. So you can customize this however you want, like I said, and this is how I'm gonna do it. Great. I'm gonna put this like that. I'm gonna make sure that the background is not visible. And inside of here, I'm gonna say local background, or BG. Or first of all, we need to reference the animation folder, which is player wait for child the bold UI wait for child animation. And then I'm gonna say local BG, which is short for background, equals anim folder wait for child background, just like that. Great. And we can also access the aura name, or am text equals anim bg wait for child aura name, as well as the AC, so the aura chance. Am text wait for child aura chance. So like this. Great. We can also make a function up here, or we could, shall we use the roll functions? Oh, sorry, the roll functions. Yeah, why not? Roll functions dot animate equals function, and there we go. So what we're going to do here is that we need the text label, or the name text, the chance text, there we go. And we also need the background, of course. There we go. Great. So we will have to use our twin service, get service twin service, there we go. And we are going to say background not visible equals true, and we are also going to say background not visible equals true, and we are going to say, let me see how this will work. So we're going to put it inside of here. Therefore we need to put this above, like this, and whenever we roll, let me see, here we have the random aura. So we're basically gonna say roll functions dot animate, we're going to say bg, we're going to say am text and AC text, as well as our random, as well as a random aura, like that. So if we go inside of here, aura, there we go. So aura, name text dot text equals oh shit, aura, wait, what are we going to pass through? Random aura. Okay, so let's say random aura 7 dot name and chance text dot text equals aura 7 dot chance, just like this. And we want to tween this as well, so we're going to say tween service create tween. We want to tween our aura text, so the name text, comma tween info dot new, let's say 0.5, comma even dot easing style dot sign, comma even dot easing direction out, and I'm gonna make a property. In this property, this is what we are going to change, and we will change the position, which is equal to udim2.new. And first of all, we need to set the position of this to maybe 0.3, 0.35, yeah, 35, let's try that. So this will be set to 0.5, and inside of here we are going to set the name text.position to udim2.new 0.5, 0.35, inside of here we're going to tween it. So we're going to tween it to let's say 0.5, 0.5, there we go. And we're going to play it. And we're going to say test of weight, maybe we can just say it in the loop, why not? So random arrow bg, great. Test of weight, maybe 0.5. Let's see how this looks. So if we go and play now, hopefully this will work. I'm a bit scared, but no worries. So if we go ahead and play, there we go. Nothing happens. Why is nothing happened? There we go. Players.oh, that's why. So go inside of the role server. Player, oh yeah. Player UI, there we go. So we go and play now. This shall work. Hopefully. Oh my god, my game is way too fucked. Nothing's happened. Let's see if I typed something more wrong. Yes, I did. Player UI. Wait, should I roll UI? Oh yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna. Guys, the inner alpha is coming out. Roll UI, because we named it Roll UI. So make sure this matches. If we play now and this doesn't work, I'm gonna throw the computer outside of the window. So if we go ahead and press roll, if my game can, there we go. Oh yeah, attempt to index nil with name. So let's see. Oh yeah, why are we doing that? We could say we index this with 1 and index this with 1. No, this with 2, right? I think so. Or did we get the name last? Yes, we did. This may not work, guys. Hopefully. Yeah, attempt to index it with a number. There we go. Okay, what do you mean? Okay, let's do this instead. Let's say I want to print roll table indexes with 7 and the name. If I go ahead and print this, I hope the name will get printed. So if I press on roll, okay, so the name does, you cannot print the name, so why can't we print why can't we print this? Because it's number, right? If I print 3, I'm sorry guys, it's just some debugging here and you will follow along, because you ain't gonna miss this pain. So if we press and roll, attempt to index name with number. Okay. Ooh. Guys, I will be right back. It's so easy to see, so I'm sorry guys, I'm pretty mad right now, but let's keep on going. So of course we can't say roll table since we haven't rolled 7 times. It won't find that. So we need to say random aura, of course. And the random aura, we need to say .name. Oh shit. Print random aura.name, right? If this doesn't work, we need to index it. Hopefully this will work. So random aura.name. If we go ahead and play on roll, press on roll, sorry. Come on, yeah, great. There we go. So, perfect. Ooh, I was about to throw something, but it all worked out. So, random aura. We're calling the random aura, great. Oh yeah, we did already call the random aura. There we go. So, inside of the roll functions, aura.name and dot chance, there we go. Shit. So now this shall work. Ooh. So if we go ahead and press on roll. Oh yeah, my game is lagging. It's a bit slow as you can see. So we will have to adjust the time. So inside of the roll functions, you will have to change this time. So if I set this to 0.1 for example, and I press on roll. Oh shit. I'm gonna contact Roblox so they can fix my fucking error. Oh shit. Press on roll. It's a bit slow still. And that is because we are inside of the roll server. We are waiting 0.5, so wait 0.2 for example. Hopefully. So press on roll. You can play with the settings until you're satisfied, of course. Here you can see now it works. I want to say 1 out of 4 and not just 4. So inside of the roll functions, I am going to say here I'm going to say 1 out of and then this. Perfect. So if we go ahead and we need to make sure that this background gets we could actually wait here, task of wait. For example, we could wait task of wait maybe 2 seconds so you can see what you get. And we're going to say bg dot visible equals to false, like this. So if we go ahead and play now, we will roll 7 times, then if we wait 2 seconds, and then it will choose the last one. So if we go ahead and roll, we got common, and we got common inside of here as well. So if we go ahead and roll again, we got basic, and we got basic. So this works perfectly fine. Great. We got common when we had basic. So I'm gonna go ahead and print the table to see why. I do think I know the problem. So inside of here, let's bring the table outside of here. Roll table, print roll table. Roll table. There we go. So if we go and press on play now, I do think that for some reason it will play 8 times. There we go. Yeah, it plays 8 times. So instead of indexing it, or instead of looping 7 times, loop 6 times for now, and I'm gonna try to find the issue. But if we do this, it will work. So let's go ahead and try now. If we press on play, and we go inside of the player, go inside of the auras, there we go. Press on roll, got basic, and I will get basic there as well. This works perfectly fine, great. So we could as well add the color, because why not? So let me see. Oh shit, I will be right back. Okay, so I tried to record, but it didn't record, of course. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did. So basically, inside of roll functions, I added the color. So name text color 3 equals our other color, just like this. And this will change the color to the correct one. I also made my text label. I added a stroke into the labels, as well as make it a bit smaller. But of course, this is just preference. You can do it however you want. So if we go ahead and play now, I'm gonna show you that this works. So if I open up my players, I open up my player, and inside of here, we go inside of auras, there we go. And if I press on roll now, oh shit, if I press on roll, you can see how we get basic, and we will get a basic right there. If I press on roll again, you can see how we get basic again. So this works perfectly fine. And in the next episode, we're going to make sure that the inventory, and we're going to make the inventory, and we're going to script the inventory. So that will probably be a long video. I'm also going to make sure that this will not be like this. You will only have one basic, you will have one common, you will have one intermediate. But in the inventory, I will make that you will have, if you have, for example, 14 basic, you will have 14 basic in your inventory. But you guys can vote, because I don't know what you want. Either I can make it that, or I can make it say X14 or something. You choose. So, with that being said, please consider subscribing, liking this video, join the Discord if you got any questions. Sorry if this video was a bit messy. I'm sick and I'm tired, so hopefully this video was understandable. In the next episode, we're going to in the next scripting video, there will probably be I will revamp the how to script tutorial, but a new RNG video will probably be out tomorrow. So stay tuned. Goodbye guys.